Hey everyone, welcome to this series of Angular. In this video, we will create a simple Hello World application and take a tour of the packages and modules in an Angular application. So now without a further ado, let's look at the agenda of this session. First, we will see brief introduction to Angular. Then we will move to prerequisites of Angular application. And finally, we will have a demo on creation of first demo application. Alright, so what exactly is Angular? Now, I am sure you all have apps like Instagram, YouTube and Facebook at your fingertips. Now, one of the reasons why everybody loves them so much is because they offer a seamless user interface and beautiful interface. Now, with the help of Angular, we can achieve this, and we will have a beautiful and seamless user interface. So, what exactly is Angular? In technical way, you can consider it is as a JavaScript framework mainly used for building sparse. Okay, what is sparse? Sparse is single page application. This sparse will loaded initially and all subsequent interaction update the additional data on the screen. So that means the entire page doesn't get loaded. So I hope you understood what is single page application. So Angular is using TypeScript, which is a superset of JavaScript. So if you have a knowledge of JavaScript, then you can easily work on the Angular and this TypeScript language. So you must be wondering why Angular. So Angular as a framework provides a few significant features while also providing a common structure for developers on a team to work with. Now coming to advantages, first talk this about custom component. Now Angular allows you to build decorated custom components that can render logic into reusable pieces. And the second advantage or significant advantage of using Angular is data binding. Angular allows you to seamlessly move your data from your core JavaScript code to the view. Don't worry, these terms and these methods which I am talking about, the data binding, and these all will come in the subsequent videos in a great extent. The next and the third benefit or advantage of using Angular is dependency injection. So decoupling our code with the logics and with the UI. Okay, now Angular allows you to write modular components and have them injected wherever needed, hence increases testability and reusability of the code. And the fourth advantage is testing. So Angular actually has been created or developed on the fact of testability, great testability. Okay, so you will achieve a great testability after developing your Angular applications. And the last is comprehensive. Angular as a full-fledged framework and provide out-of-the-box solution for server communications and routing with your applications. So moving on, let looks on prerequisites of Angular. Okay, or before you create your Angular application, you need to check whether you have these components onto your machine or not, or into your environment or not. So the first component or the first software you need to have is Node.js. Angular uses Node.js as its base for a large part of its build environment. So as a result, to get started with Angular, you need to have Node.js installed in your environment. So please download Node.js from official website of Node, install onto your machine. And the second is CLI, Angular CLI. This command line interface is a tool that make it easier to bootstrap and develop your Angular application. Now to install latest version, you need to shoot this command in command prompt, that is npm install -g angular slash CLI. Keep in mind, before angular you have to prefix with at the rate. Okay, the third main part which you need to have in your system before you are creating the angular app, that is IDE. Okay, so you must have this IDE or text editor. In our case we are using Visual Code, so go ahead and get it downloaded on your machine from official website. Now moving on, the final part is the demo. Now I guess you have all basic understanding towards Angular, and now you are ready to create your first Angular application. So let's flip to our Visual Code and open folder where you want to locally create application. Okay, in terminal you have to type ng new and the name of your project. In our case we are writing hello world, and then press enter. So it's gonna ask you whether you need Angular routing or not. So in my case I am writing just Y, that is yes, and then press enter. After that it will ask the type of CL stylings. So I am putting it is as CSS styles. Okay, then it will create several several folders and files into the project, and it is installing several packages which is dependent on our Angular application. So let's wait till this all packages are installed into our project, and let's see what will happen. Is created successfully. If you want to see what is inside this project folder or hello world folder, then you will see this folder structure which is created by the Angular CLI, which is not created by me or anyone else, but it is created by the Angular CLI. So this folder structure is very important. So in that, this src folder containing app, asset, environment, and this index html file, and this is the main entry file which is required in Angular application. And inside this index html file there is a tag, that is app root. So whatever we will create the component, this will goes inside this app root tag. So this is the main placeholder where the all the components will reside. Okay, and the other file is the environment file where all environment related variables will be put together. So how to execute this project or how to run this project, so whether this is created successfully or not, or we want to see the output of this project, then you have to type ng serve and hyphen open. So this will compile and execute our project. Okay, so we are not in the project directory, so we have to change into our project directory. Then we have to enter these commands. So cd and hello world. So now we are in the same directory as we are created the project, that is ng serve hyphen open. So this will compile and run our application in development environment. Okay, so it is compiling. it will take for a while, then it will throw output of our application. So you can see the output of our application. This is built in Angular. This is the simple, and this is the default HTML or default page which is provided by Angular CLI. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.